Thanks, Day.
Yep, anytime.
I'm in Hickory, y'all, getting to watch the train come through. Looks like an SD60 or an SD70. Oh, that's nice. He's getting her on like Donkey Kong up through there. I see a green signal. He's got a green signal all the way. Green signal. He's getting it on. Got small chip cars coming in. Now. Yeah, Scumbo, get her down like Donkey Kong. Scumbo, haha. Got an open door box car and a coal car. I love that sound. Great sound. Man, this ground is shaking. Oh my God. Here's the end of it. Got some coal cars at the end of the train right here. Quaint hopper car. Oh no, those gravel cars. Adios, amigo. Senorita, ha. Man, she getting it on like Donkey Kong through there. Oh, she's slamming up the knucklers.